Asda. Kenta Manis Channel. Aku ada yang tempat serem.
Apa?
Dokter gigi. Emang bener aku takut tahu. Aku ini gigi depan aku itu palsu. Dulu waktu masih SD ya. SD aku berenang, terus aku kena lantai. Ya, terus ininya patah kan. Jadi ini tuh dari SD, jadi kira-kira 20 tahun ya, 20 tahun lebih ini palsu.
Oh my god.
Ya, kira-kira 2 tahun, 3 tahun sekali. Aku perbaiki harusnya. Ini sekarang udah gulak-gulak, jadi gak bisa gigit itu.
Iya, sebelumnya kan dong.
Ya jadi aku ya gigitnya di belakang gitu. Jadi harusnya aku ke dokter gigi. Semoga tidak sakit. Ini dokter Smile Dental Art itu sama Cici, Nia sama Bunda.
Oh, suka di sini juga.
Iya, suka di sini.
Ini rekomendasi ya.
Ya rekomendasi Bunda. Oke, yuk.
Yuk, semangat ya.
Ya.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Cabut terus ini di bridge, kalau nggak diimplan jadi satu.
Ya cabut aja ya.
Kita cabut nanti bikin gigi palsu
Boleh
ya.
gigi
Sambil kita kirim mau diimplan atau mau di bridge. Kalau di bridge sebelah kanan kirinya kita kecil.
Kemungkinan nggak bisa implan juga.
Kemungkinan nggak bisa.
Oh, nggak bisa?
Tulangnya tipis.
Oh.
Mesti di bridge. Udah kita cabut, habis cabut.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah,
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
sometimes you need to let loose. Grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous. Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to, something I can't undo.
I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6
Soalnya kan dalamnya kan bekas cabut ya. Itu sementara karena kan Kenta pasti perlu gigi kan buat tampil depan orang, jadi memang kita kasih sementara. Cuman memang Kenta harus balik lagi minggu depan. Buat itu giginya jadi mau pakai apa gitu. Ini beneran sementara, jadi fungsinya buat pajangan. Jadi nggak boleh buat gigit.
Oke, siap.
Maka langsung belakang aja. Oh Kenta, nanti aku resepin antibiotik sama perda nyeri ya. Untuk antibiotik sih dihabisin ya. Tapi kalau perda nyerinya kalau udah nggak sakit boleh dihabisin.
Iya, siap. Ini boleh coba lihat giginya nggak? Makasih banyak ya.
Mari Kenta.
Ternyata aku ya sekali lagi aku datang jadi masih ini farsenya. Ini gak boleh gigit, gak boleh gak boleh gigit di sini. Takutnya cepat lagi. Jadi minggu depan lagi datang ke sini. Jadi udah selesai. Makasih banyak ya. Jadi ini klinik Smile Up itu ini siap-siap ini ya. Jadi sekali pakai buang. Oh jadi nyaman juga, nggak kotor sama sekali. Kadang aku juga bisa pakai.
1 week later.
Ya mau ke foto. Kemarin aku salah makan. Bukan salah makan ya, salah gigitnya salah gitu. Aku makan batagor, hata gitu.
Berat dulu ya. Kubur dulu ya Kenta.
Iya.
Agak setek jadi telan nih. Masih sakit nggak?
Sakit enggak?
Enggak ya.
Tapi di sininya masih nyium. Ini ya.
Ini kayaknya hari ini kita mau buka jahitan ya.
Iya.
Buka jahitan, terus sambelan yang ini kan aku copot, kita pasangin yang baru.
Oke.
Cuman aku info dulu ya, ini kan sementara ya. Jadi Kenta udah tahu giginya mau diapain nanti. Yang kemarin dokter yang jelasin, mau di gigi palsu, mau di bridge atau mau di implan. Udah kebayang belum?
Implan. Aku maunya implan.
Implan ya.
Implan itu apa ya?
Kalau implan itu ditanam ke giginya ya kita.
Julet.
Oke Kenta, ini sih gigi bekas cabutnya udah bagus ya. Udah mulai rapet.
Terus aku nyium di sini itu gimana ya?
Minumnya gimana kalau makan minum?
Kalau minum dingin.
Udah lama atau baru?
Udah lama sih.
Lama ya, pasti hilang timbul ya.
Iya. Terus kemarin aku kata dokter di sini itu ya dokter itu terlalu kencang.
Kencang giginya.
Iya.
Kenta pernah kabel nggak sih gini?
Enggak pernah.
Nggak pernah. Tempat lain juga nggak pernah. Nah, ya Kenta giginya kencangan.
Aslan!